In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict item editing of a column in a list in Microsoft Lists. If you've ever wanted to make one column read-only for most people while allowing them to edit other fields, it's important to know what Microsoft Lists can and can't do out of the box. Microsoft Lists runs on SharePoint, and its permission model applies to entire items, not individual columns. That means if a user can edit an item, they can edit any editable column in that item. There isn't a native setting to lock a single column while keeping the rest editable. However, there is a simple, practical workaround that helps reduce accidental edits. You can hide a column from the edit form. This doesn't provide true security, but it does remove that field from the standard add and edit experience, which is often enough to guide users in the right direction. Here's how to do it. Start by opening your list. Then open the form by clicking New if you're creating an item, or Edit if you're updating an existing one. In the form, look for the Edit Form pencil icon, typically near the top right of the panel. Click that and choose Edit Columns. You'll see a list of fields that appear on the form. Simply uncheck the column you want to hide and apply your changes. From now on, users won't see that field when they add or edit items using the form, which helps prevent unintended updates. A few notes to keep you informed. Hiding a column from the form is a user experience tweak, not a permission barrier. Users with edit access can still change that field using Quick Edit, also known as Grid View, or through other interfaces and automation. Think of this as a deterrent to casual edits rather than a lock. If the column is required, make sure it already has a value, or that you handle its value through another process, since hiding it won't remove the requirement. If you truly need strict control over who can change a specific field, consider broader design strategies rather than column-level permissions, such as structuring your data so that sensitive information is maintained in a separate list or updated through controlled processes. But for many scenarios, especially when you just want to guide behavior and reduce mistakes, hiding the column from the form is a quick and effective approach.